everyone, this is Dany from Harmon, Puebla Juárez, and today's tutorial is about the prepositions of to, at, and on, and when we should use them. Now, when we're in action, we use the preposition to. For example, I go to school every day, I go to work 3 days a week, and I go to my friend's house on Fridays. But when we're already at the place, we use the preposition at. For example, I am at school, I am at work, or I am at my friend's house. The only time when we would change this is when we talk about transport. We would say, I am on the bus, or I am on the plane. So that's our tutorial for today, and we'll see you next time.